Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Daddy M again, Daddy M Vlog Official. And yeah, today guys, may good news tayo. Thanks to God, and na-answer na yung prayers natin. So way back nung Thursday, that would be October 20th, 2022. As you can see guys, nung last video na na-upload natin is how to fix watch hours not updating and applying for monetization. Nag-apply ako ng monetization guys no Thursday kasi we're able to hit or naabot na natin yung 4,000 watch hours of public watch hours na required ng YouTube plus 1,000 subscribers. So nung nag-apply ako that day guys, yung start, yung let me open the video again kasi skip. As you can see guys, may ads na ako kasi may good news ako today, but we will skip muna ha. So nung nag-apply ako that day, 4,013 hours of public watch hours and 1,108 subscribers. So I was able to apply the monetization doon sa YouTube natin channel. So if you can guys review that video previously na na-upload ko is yun yung steps on how to apply monetization actually on YouTube. So yun mga process yan. So as you can see on the screen, nung nag-apply ako that time, yung na-complete ko is step 1 lang, and yung next is yung signing for Google AdSense. So what happened is yung Google AdSense natin dyan is in progress lang siya. Sign up for Google AdSense. So it means in process pa siya. Yung nakalagay lang dyan is your AdSense account is being created or associated. The approval and association process can take up to several days. But hindi ako nag-expect guys. Yesterday, Friday 9 AM Philippine time, na-approve siya ni YouTube yung sign up for Google AdSense. So after that, itong step 3 is getting review in progress. Yun yung status niya kahapon after 9 AM ng Philippine time. But today guys, hindi ako nag-expect. I received an email saying, congratulations, you've been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. Daddy M Vlog Official has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and it is now able to monetize on YouTube. To get started, check out the YouTube creator site so you can stay connected on the YouTube team and other creators you like. So we also recommend reviewing the YouTube Help Center to learn more about monetizing on your YouTube, including what kind of content you're monetize and different ways you can monetize on YouTube and how to monetize specific videos and monetize icon guide. So as with everything related to YouTube, you can commonly sense don't abuse the site and respectfully of others when you're choosing what content to monetize. So we are looking forward to working with you. Thanks the YouTube team. Yep, thank you so much guys. Finally, for 5 or 6, 7 months na struggle namin to hit 4,000 watch hours, public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, we're able to hit that guys. So thank you so much guys for your support, of course, sa ating Panginoon. So without Him, di natin mag-aabot ito, at God knows how struggles ang naranasan namin para maabot lang to, but it was answered really. So hindi na natin patagalin pa. So we'll go to our YouTube studio. Teka muna. So we'll go to YouTube studio guys. Bear with me. Guys, so how to go to your YouTube studio? Madali lang siya guys actually. So if you are in your profile sa or account, login account sa YouTube channel na monetize, is just click YouTube studio and mararoute kayo dito na page. So as you can see guys, naka-dollar sign na siya kasi sobrang excited ko. Nag-assign ako kanina. So ang ginawa ko, kanina naka-off pa yan. So inon ko na para magkaroon ng ma-monetize yung video natin. As you can see guys or observe, may limited tayo. Sabi ng error dyan sa ad suitability, this video is being reviewed to determine whether it's suitable for the most advertiser. Kasi yung error niya kanina guys, wala pa daw, yung video na to is not, hindi siya suitable for advertisers na mag-ad. Kaya ang ginawa ko kanina is kinlik ko siya tapos get reviewed para ma-reviewed manually ng YouTube itong mga video na to na hindi siya na-monetize because it's limited daw for the advertiser na maadan ng advertise yung video na to. But we don't need to worry guys kasi when I check on other YouTubers as well, they actually experienced this one. So what they did is to click review para ma-review ng YouTube kasi why it's not monetized, hindi naman siya copyright claim or copyright strike na video, tapos originally tayo yung gumawa, hindi tayo nagkopya. So ayun, but yun guys, na ito yung way of monetize your video. Kung gusto niyo naman mag-monetize, like for example, ada ng maraming advertise yung video natin, all you need to do is to click the sign of monetization, ganyan. Tapos minimum niya is 8 minutes above para maka-assign tayo ng maraming advertise sa video natin. So bear with me kasi napakalunin niya. So this is actually the last video I uploaded last time guys, no? So if you're having free time to check, you can actually see the videos I uploaded. Iba-ibang content ito guys, may covers, may tutorial, may adventures, ayun. So marami siya dito, and mga reviews din. So how to fix watch hours and not updating and applying for monetization, how to dump Facebook and YouTube video account, or I'm sorry, videos that you like on YouTube or Facebook. You can actually visit that one. How to reach 4,000 public watch hours in YouTube. So marami dyan guys, and we are already in. So ayun, naka-on na yung monetization na specific na video, which 11 minutes and 32 seconds. So para mag-edit kayo or you can assign manually sa ads na on that video, so you can actually just click there. So pwede nyo itong i-move kung saan nyo gusto, and ad break. So yung ad break is yung pag-start, pwede na natin lagyan dito, for example ad break din, then yun, ganyan. Okay na yung 5 kasi napakadami na yan. Kung yung pupunuin nyo guys, yung viewers natin maybe hindi na siya mag-view kasi ang dami ng advertise na naka-display. Hindi sila makafocus doon sa video na pinanood nila. So yun, pwede nyo yung i-change if ever nagbago yung isip nyo. And yeah, just save and save after you click those options guys. So I hope you like this video, and I'm so happy today, October 22nd, 2022. YouTube approved my monetization application, which is I really thankful to God for this blessing. So guys, I would love to ask your help and support by subscribing my channel, like, comment, and share. And we'll be doing more videos guys, tutorial, travels, adventures, covers, and ano pa yung pwede natin ma-upload sa YouTube natin, which is not against the community guidelines sa YouTube natin. Yep, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a lovely day to you guys. And this is Daddy M again, Daddy M Vlog Official. Keep safe.